Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a cotton candy drawing. Begin by lightly sketching the overall shape of your cotton candy. Think about a soft, cloud-like form. Next, add a simple cone or stick at the bottom to support your fluffy creation. Don't press too hard. These are just your initial guidelines. We're aiming for a whimsical, airy look right from the start. Now, let's bring some color to our cotton candy. Choose soft pastel shades like light pink, sky blue, or lavender. Use a light touch, applying your colors in gentle, swirling motions to mimic the spun sugar. Blending these colors softly will create a beautiful, ethereal gradient, making your cotton candy look even more delicious and inviting. Remember, the goal is a light, airy feel. To make your cotton candy truly pop, it's time for details and highlights. Introduce subtle shadows beneath the fluffy sections to give your drawing depth and dimension. Then, use white or a very light color to add small, bright highlights, suggesting the sugary sparkle. Finally, gently refine the outer edges with slightly darker lines to define the shape without losing its softness. These small touches make a big difference. For the final touches, make sure your cotton candy stick or cone looks sturdy and well-defined, providing a solid base for your sweet treat. Take a moment to step back and review the entire drawing, making any small adjustments to balance or color. You want your cotton candy to look perfectly delightful and ready to enjoy. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.